What's up, Chem Kids? Oh, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things in the world. We're going to look at percent composition, or percent comp as I'm going to say it. And percent composition is basically going to tell us what percent of a compound's mass comes from certain elements. So like the percent of a compound's mass that comes from a given element. Basically, the general formula for this is we want to take what the molar mass of all those elements are of one type of element divided by the molar mass of the compound. Then we want to multiply by that 100 by 100. That's going to give us the percent composition of a specific element. So let's say we're looking here and we have C6H12O6. Now I want to say, what is the percent composition? So percent comp of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Well, my first step is I have to find the molar mass of the compound. So in this case, I'm just going to write this as MM is going to be equal to 6 times the molar mass of carbon, which is 12 because there are 6 carbons, plus 12 times the molar mass of hydrogen, which in this case we're just going to do is 1. We're going to simplify it a bit. There's 12 hydrogens, and then we have plus 6 times the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16. When we add all these up together, we find that the total molar mass is going to be equal to about 180 grams. So that's going to be our molar mass of the whole compound. So now I want to find out basically what the percent composition is. So to find that percent composition of carbon, what I'm going to do is I want to take the molar mass of all of the carbons in this compound. So in this case, I have 6 carbons. So the molar mass of 6 carbons is going to be 6 times the molar mass of 1 carbon, or times 12, divided by the molar mass of my whole compound, which is 180. And then I want to multiply that by 100. And whenever I do all that out, I would get that the molar mass, or that the percent composition of carbon is going to be right around 40%. If I wanted to look at that percent composition of hydrogen, I would take the molar mass of all of my hydrogens, which in this case is I have 12 of them. 12 of them would be 12 times 1 divided by 180 times 100. And I find that the molar mass of all of my carbons, so the percent composition of this, is going to be about 6.67%. And then finally, the percent composition of oxygen is going to be, we want to take the molar mass of all of the oxygens, or as we have 6 of them, 6 times 16, all divided by 180 times 100, because that's divided by the total molar mass. And we find out that the percent composition of oxygen in this compound is going to be right at 53.33%. That is how you find the percent composition of an element. You want to take the molar mass of all of the element of one kind inside of a compound divided by the molar mass of the compound itself times 100.